In this video, I'll show you how you can locally share one Steam game to another. In this video, I'll show you how you can locally transfer Steam games from one PC to another. Now keep in mind you do need to be on the same network, and you also need to have enabled some settings that I'll show you later. Now, if I press install on, let's say, Apex Legends right here, you can see I only have this one, my local drive. But if you go in the Windows button and tap in Share, find Manage Advanced Sharing Settings, open it up and make sure both are turned on. Then save the settings and press X. Then from your other device, you're going to do the same. And on your other PC, what you can do is, when you press install here, if you're on the same network and you turn that on both PCs, if I press install here, I will have the option here to download it on the local drive or the external drive, and then it will be the other PC. So that's basically how you can do it on Steam, guys. Remember, you need to be on the same network and you need to enable the sharing on both PCs. So that's how you can do it, guys. I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.